Hello, this is me Pushparaj Dagi. This is the homepage of my application. This page shows the list of news by their category like politics, business, feature, science and technology, sport, entertainment. This page is visible for all users if they are authorized or non-authorized. The latest created news display in this section. Like this, and also show in the respected category like this. This is the source section where user can source news and can read detail of the news. This is the comment section where logged in user only can comment in specific news. After approved by admin only updated in comment total number of comment, and this dash will be turned into uh, approved for a specific user. Users should log in if they are not logged in, or register for comment on news. This is the news detail page where user can read detail about news like this. This is the recommendation system where user get recommendation of news. This is the admin dashboard where admin can see publish post, can add post, can see draft post. Admin user can also delete news, other user post as well as their post. See all category, add categories, can filter, search categories. Admin user can also add tags, can search. Admin user can only approve pending comment and can see other comments. Admin user can see all user, can edit user, can update other user profile, can add new user, can manage roles, delete roles. This is the overview of the system.